how to make a moon phase puzzle. So it's a very easy, fun game. So for this amazing activity, you'll need some pens, some scissors, I'm using safety scissors, and some paper. So what I did was I got a round thing and then I traced it. Make sure it's the exact same circles for this. So what I'm going to do is take these circles and cut them with these scissors. So you want to cut them out real carefully, but don't cut it on the line which you have drawn it. So take some minutes or hours. You can skip this step if it takes a bit too long for you. But if you have already did it, just cut it out. You should get a circle like this. Then I'll add another black circle. You may not see the black trace linings because I added black, but you can add a white bright color for the black one and try a bit of blue for the white one. Just try to see what color can fit on you with the pieces of paper. So this will take some minutes. So we're going to pause the video right here. And you should get 4 circles cut out. So once you get these two, just place them together to just make sure it's the right size. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is make a sliver. So put it something like this. Cut that out. So right now I'll just put this over here and put this over here. That's the first part. And then if I just cut another one, now that is called a crescent. So you may be thinking that the moon changes shape, but it doesn't actually change shape. It's because of the sun. The moon can't reflect its own light, so when the sun hits it, that becomes a crescent. So if you see a bit of that light, that becomes a crescent. So here's our other moon. Now this becomes a new moon. Now, if I can just cut a circle, I want to be a bit slow on the circles because they're a bit close to each other, and there's a black line and with black paper, so it's a bit tricky and complicated. So let's get that. Done. And then I'll just get my white sheet of paper. Cut that up. You may see the moon has craters only because the moon saved Earth a million years ago from asteroids, meteors, or like more impacts. So that's the whole big deal. That's why the moon has a lot of craters. So now what I'm going to do is just do the exact same like I did. And then instead I'm going to cut half moon. So it shall be something like this. Woo! That was close. So what you want to do is put one moon here and then the other right here. Okay, it's almost complete. Now, what we'll do is we'll take another moon And that's when we make a gibbous. I don't know why it's called the gibbous moon, but okay. And then I'll take another part of the black, so the last black circle, just cut it like that, a bit more. And then just place the two circles like again, and then you want to cut a bit of the circle from the other side. Okay, so that makes this, yes. So this makes this, and then our last white circle, and we just cut it out. Did you know Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon and raise the American flag? If you never knew that, like, put that thumbs up or just subscribe it. I have no idea why. Okay, so now all of our squares is done. Now we'll put the full moon next to after the new moon. Then we'll continue this progress again. So with the leftover pieces we have. So start with the gibbous. This time the black sliver goes on the right side. Then there comes the half moon. Then goes that amazing crescent, then back to our new, which we already have. So now you can see we have the moon. So we have this whole thing. So we have new, crescent, half, gibbous, full, gibbous, half, and crescent. And I'm just gonna show it a bit close. That way you know. So this is how it looks like. Comment down below if you think it's a real good design. So thanks for watching Aadya's Learning Academy. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button. That way you. And then press that notification bell, that way you miss no notifications about new videos coming in my channel. Bye!